You need to clean your heat exchanger regularly for it to achieve its highest possible performance levels. And the most common method is high-pressure water cleaning. Although this may seem like the most cost-effective method in the short term, it may actually be costing you a lot more than you think. High-pressure water cleaning only gets your heat exchanger about 60 to 90% clean because jets can't reach everywhere. Thermal cleaning, on the other hand, gets close to 100%. But how come it's so much more efficient? This proven technique reduces organic and partially organic buildup to easy-to-remove dust particles in and around tubing and even between tubing and shells. With thermal cleaning, 1 kilogram of fouling reduces to 50 grams of dust, which rinses out really easily. And with improved cleaning come fewer maintenance shutdowns, longer operating hours, and a heat exchanger that performs far better and saves you a stack on operating costs. Thermal cleaning also improves heat transfer performance and significantly reduces energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions while producing less wastewater, all of which reduce the impact on our planet. Any idea what you could be saving by thermally cleaning your heat exchangers? Find out. Talk to Thermo-Clean today.